Adventure Show with Bruce Wallass.
People and all my fans, this is the show Wild Kingdom. Today we are...
I love you, people!
Oh
my
gosh! Here.
I'm gonna smash into this bush over here.
God, who is this person? Today we are going to watch the Harley, a crazy monkey flesh-eating beast. I'm your host, Bruce Willis, and today we are going to fight. What the hell?
I love you, Bruce Willis! Yay! I love you!
I think I need a diaper change.
I love you! Yay! I love you! Bruce Wallace, you are supposed to be my lunch.
That's our show today. Is it on?
Yes!
Hello fans, this is the Wild Kingdom show, and it's totally awesome. Today we are... What the hell? Get out of here! Who the hell are you?
Sorry.
Who the hell are you?
Okay, everybody.